We've all heard that hospital wait times are increasing and 911 response times are getting longer. While efforts are underway to address these challenges, meaningful improvements will still take years and cost billions of dollars. As police officers, firefighters, and paramedics, when we arrive at an emergency scene, we often see people standing idly by, unsure of what to do. They're called bystanders. What if we could empower this vast, untapped resource of millions of people to begin first aid or use an AED before emergency services arrive? We could reduce accidents, injury severity, and save lives. Most people want to help, but they're afraid of making a mistake. While the Good Samaritan law protects the public when providing patient care, they're still afraid of causing harm to the patient or being sued. They often say, "I can't remember my training." Now imagine if everyone had an emergency assistant to guide them step by step through a medical emergency before professional help arrived.
Hi, I am your emergency assistant. What is wrong with the patient?
At Get Ready, our team of emergency and healthcare professionals developed Become a Willing Bystander program to help people respond to emergencies with confidence. Powered by the Ready FIRST AIDE app, your emergency assistant provides voice or touch-guided instructions for more than 130 first aid procedures. Whether someone is bleeding or experiencing a heart attack,
Compress the chest about 2 inches at a rate of 120 compressions per minute or 2 compressions per second. It's fast.
needs an EpiPen or has sprained their ankle,
Wrap the injured area to provide stability. Apply ice or cold pack on top of the dressings covering the injured area.
or is suffering from a chemical burn, Ready First Aid delivers clear, step-by-step guidance. Our medically controlled content aligns with the guidelines established by Health Canada and the Heart and Stroke Foundation of Canada, along with the new CSA First Aid Standards. The emergency assistant's voice is only programmed to read from our approved content and is not able to randomly search the web for information. With Ready First Aid, anyone can be prepared to provide immediate care for family members, friends, co-workers, and community members. We encourage everyone to become a willing bystander and respond with confidence.